Watch this video to learn more. To begin, open your VM VirtualBox and select your OS. Next, click the settings icon to open and select storage to view the available devices. If there is currently an ISO in the disk, you will need to unmount it. Otherwise, if empty, click OK to close. If an ISO is currently mounted, then select the disk icon on the right and select Remove. Then click OK to close. Next, click Start to run your OS. After starting your OS, go to the top menu for the host and hover over Devices. Scroll down to Insert Guest Editions CD image at the bottom and select. The CD will begin to mount, so be patient. It is sometimes slow. You may need to close the file window to view the autoplay dialog box. Once you see it, click the Run box to install the guest editions. At User Account Control dialog, click Yes, and close any open windows until you see the Setup window. Go through the next buttons to install and complete the setup wizard. Then select Install. If you trust Oracle, go ahead and select Always Trust followed by Install to complete the installation. You will then need to reboot your VM. Next, to test a successful install, go to the Devices menu and hover over Shared Clipboard to select the Host to Guest option. To test, open Firefox in the VM. Then open a window on your host machine. Type in a URL and copy it from your host machine. Then go to the VM web browser and paste the URL to check if the guest editions are working. That's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, please subscribe and follow us. We have loads more helpful time savers coming every 2 days.